What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you'll be changing out your headlights on a 2006 Kia Sportage. If you look back here, I'm working on the passenger side right by your windshield wiper fuel valve. But if you look right here, you'll have a cylinder right here, a lid. You just kind of want to turn that like that. Be careful not to drop it down, because if you drop it down, you kind of fish down there and get it out. But once you turn that off, then you'll be able to see inside of your headlight assembly. And what you'll notice is, once again, a lot of vehicles these days have these springs like this on it. You just got to kind of press it in and press it out, just like that. See how I'm doing? I'm pressing it in and then over. And once I do that, it comes up. And then you'll be able to pretty much remove your headlight. You want to get that spring completely out the way. Yeah, you want to get that spring out the way. Hold on. Okay, so once you have that out the way, now you can just kind of reach in and remove. You can also unplug it first from the back of your headlight if you want to make it easier. And once you have it like that, you'll have this part out. Then all you got to do pretty much is just unplug it by pulling it out, just like that, and it'll unplug. You want to take your new headlight, plug it back inside of there, and then you're going to go ahead on and stick it back into the opening, as you can see, and then put your spring back down. I'll show you how that spring works again, since the bulb is out of it now. Basically, you can see it. You see that little hook right there. So once you unplug it, it's up like this, and when you put the new bulb in, you're just going to put it in. You see that little opening, and plug it right in to that opening, just like that, and it'll hold your light bulb still. Alright, folks, once again, this is how you would change out your headlights on a 2006 Kia Sportage. Please check out our other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.